Hey, what's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video and I hope you enjoyed this little intro. Today we're going back to doing something that I really love doing, and that is a drone vlog. Something that I haven't done in a while, and to be honest, I don't like the fact that I'm not doing it that much because it's the best way to relax and enjoy using my drone and share that footage with you guys. I think it's very easy to fall into the trap of just making product reviews and tips and tutorials and stuff like that, but one of the things that I enjoy doing the most on this channel is sharing my drone videos with you guys, sharing my experience, sharing the beautiful views, and that's exactly what I'm planning to do today. I'm on a very nice beautiful location called Balchik. It's located on the east coast of Bulgaria and it's really beautiful. There's so many things I want to film today, and that's exactly what I'm planning to do, and I'll share everything with you. So with that being said, let's check out this amazing place. So how cool was that? From all these boats on the port, the shipyard, the stadium, the little mountains that you can see, the nice buildings around, and generally this whole area. This is a little city. It's just amazing to come here to visit and to share that amazing experience with you guys. All the footage that I got, I'm extremely happy to share with you, and I think I should definitely do one of these videos more because I miss just sharing my drone footage with you guys and spreading the love for flying a drone. I think it's one of the best ways to relax for me, and that's why I love doing it so much. But anyway, with that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video. It's been a real pleasure to make it, and I'll definitely make more of those if you let me know that you like them enough. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Ciao.